Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview PoolRx Mineral Recharger Booster. The booster is used to replace minerals that are lost through backwash and splash out or in conjunction with a PoolRx unit for pools that are larger than 20,000 gallons. If your pool is larger than 20,000 gallons, you may need an additional booster. It is important to have the right mineral levels in your pool for the system to be completely effective. The booster is simply placed in the skimmer where the minerals will dissolve completely into the pool. Product benefits: effective for up to 6 months. Eliminates all types of algae. Reduces chemical demand. Ideal for all types of pools. Usage directions. Step 1. Clean and backwash the filter and remove all debris from skimmer and pump basket before adding the PoolRx booster. Step 2. Add 8 ounces of booster minerals per 7,520,000 gallons into the skimmer or pump basket. Step 3. Do not remove the existing PoolRx unit. The minerals will start dissolving immediately. Step 4. Make sure there is at least 3 or 4 hours of the pump run cycle. Pump should run during the heat of the day. Additional information: PoolRx minerals improve the saltwater experience. The minerals reduce the salt chlorine production needed to keep your salt pools sanitized and algae-free. Less salt chlorine production extends the life of the salt cell and reduces the amount of acid needed to balance the pH. PoolRx prolongs the life of your equipment, saves you money, and improves the quality of your water. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.